CafePress is an online platform that allows users to create and sell custom products, such as apparel, home decor, accessories, and gifts. It provides a marketplace for independent designers and artists to showcase their work and earn money through the sales of their designs on various product types. Here's a step-by-step guide to making money online with CafePress in 2024 for beginners. 1. Sign up for a CafePress account. Visit the CafePress website, www.cafepress.com, and create an account by providing your basic information and choosing a unique store name. 2. Design your products. To start selling on CafePress, you need to create unique designs for the products you want to offer. You can use their built-in design tools, upload your own artwork, or even hire a designer to create custom designs for you. 3. Choose your products. CafePress offers a wide range of products, including t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, stickers, and many more. Select the products you want to sell with your designs. 4. Set your prices. Decide on the prices for your products, considering factors like production costs, shipping, and your desired profit margin. CafePress allows you to set your own prices for each product. 5. Open your online store. Once you have designed your products and set your prices, it's time to open your CafePress store. Customize your storefront to make it attractive and reflect your brand. 6. Promote your store. To drive traffic to your store and increase sales, promote your products on social media platforms, online forums, and other marketing channels. You can also collaborate with other artists and influencers to expand your reach. 7. Monitor and manage your store. Keep track of your sales, customer feedback, and product performance. Use this information to improve your designs, pricing, and marketing strategies. 8. Provide excellent customer service. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and address any issues that may arise. This will help build a positive reputation and encourage repeat customers and word-of-mouth referrals. 9. Continuously update your designs. Keep your product offerings fresh by regularly updating your designs and adding new products to your store. This will keep your customers engaged and interested in your offerings. 10. Analyze and adjust. Regularly analyze your sales data and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Make necessary adjustments to your product offerings, pricing, or marketing strategies to maximize your earnings. By following these steps, you can successfully create and sell custom products on CafePress and make money online in 2024. Remember that building a successful online business takes time, dedication, and continuous effort, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can achieve your goals.